Hello everyone. Today we will be comparing different coding tools for us to determine which among these is the best. GitHub Copilot is your AI pair programmer directly in your editor, which means it provides real-time code suggestions and completions as you type based on context from your project and billions of lines of public code. It can suggest entire functions, lines of code, or even boilerplate. How does it work? It integrates directly into popular IDEs. It watches your code and comments predicting what you want to write next. This is for any developer looking for highly integrated context-aware code suggestions to speed up coding, reduce boilerplate, and explore new APIs. Continue.dev, on the other hand, is an open-source customizable AI copilot more focused on multi-step workflows and local control. It acts as an AI assistant that helps with multi-step coding tasks, refactoring, debugging, and code generation. It emphasizes staying within your local environment and offers flexibility in choosing AI models, including local ones. It even provides a chat interface where you can give it instructions for larger tasks, ask questions about your code, and receive direct edits or suggestions. Supports various LLMs, including self-hosted ones. This is for developers who want more control over their AI toolchain, prefer open source solutions, value multi-step automation, and might be concerned about sending code to external servers. Lastly, we have Cursor. It is an AI native code editor designed from the ground up for AI-powered development. It is a full-fledged editor built on VS Code with deep AI integration for chat, code generation, debugging, and understanding large code bases. You download and use Cursor as your primary IDE. It features an integrated chat panel where you can interact with the AI, ask it to generate code, fix bugs, explain code, or answer questions, all within your project context. It also offers inline AI features similar to Copilot. This is for developers looking for an all-in-one AI-first coding environment, willing to switch their primary editor for a more deeply integrated AI experience. Choose GitHub Copilot if you want a seamless, intelligent autocomplete and suggestion tool that integrates into your existing preferred IDE without changing your workflow much. It's about augmenting your typing speed. Choose Continue.dev if you value open source flexibility, local model options, and an AI assistant designed for multi-step coding workflows, rather than just inline completion. Lastly, choose Cursor if you're looking for an entirely new AI-first coding experience and are willing to switch your primary code editor to get the deepest possible integration of AI for understanding, generating, and debugging code.